When it comes time for you to make any bathroom improvements, there are numerous property owners that choose to have their old washroom toilet replaced with a new one. If you are shopping for a new toilet in any of your bathrooms, there are a bunch of different styles and designs, as well as prices you need to keep in mind. One of those to keep top of mind is if you are planning on remodeling the whole bathroom. If you are planning on remodeling the remainder of your restroom, you will likely need to pick out the perfect toilet that will be just right to match your bathroom and your needs. Most residents have a conventional toilet installed in them. Most typical design toilets come in white as well as they are, well, simply typical. If you are remodeling your washroom on a slim budget, you should be able to find a pretty good selection of basic design toilets. Standard bathroom commodes are frequently referred to as being the most budget-friendly of all toilet styles and types. Although you might be going shopping on a budget, you might also be looking for the most effective toilet for your bathroom space. If that holds true, you might be looking for something plain and basic, or maybe you are looking for something a little bit extra elegant. When choosing a new commode for your remodeled or replacement project, it is very important to be concerned with the appearance of a bathroom, yet still important to be concerned with the price of one. Although it is possible to purchase a new toilet for only a few $100s, you really need to keep extra prices in mind. Once you buy a new toilet, you may need to find a way to get it home. Bathroom toilets are a bit heavy, so you may need them delivered and placed in the bathroom. Wherever you shop for toilets, you might be able to get free delivery included, but you should additionally be planned for a small delivery fee. Likewise, if you require help with setup, you will certainly need to keep plumber installment costs in mind. As you can see, there is a rather large amount of decision-making that is involved in choosing your toilet. Shop around and compare toilets and prices. The results will certainly generally be worth it. Call us, and we can help with any questions you may have.